Welcome to Hungry Mind Software Basti. In this video, we are going to see how we can add new staff in the bioattendance system and enroll his fingerprint successfully. So let's get into action. First, find out the backend program, bioadministrator, and type username and password as admin. Both should be small letter, and select basic settings. So from basic settings, click on staff enrollment, and in here you can find three subdivisions: add employee, or modify or remove, or update salary details. So let's get into add employee. Staff ID can be any ID or whatever, it should be numerical, only numbers, and it should be unique. So let me choose the staff name as Vasanta Raj, then choose the date of birth, and join date, institute, when the employee joined the institution, that date, then select designation. If you doesn't find any of the suitable designation given over here, you can add new designation. For that, go to post settings, add manager MGR. So the post ID should be short within 4 letters, and there should not be any special letter. And add post. It has been updated successfully. Then come back to staff enrollment and type Vasanta Raj, then go back, select OK, then choose manager, and contact number, so any number, and you can choose the photograph. It's OK. Save. Now staff enrollment is successful. You can go to modify and see and select the staff, and if anything is to be modified, you can modify and update. 79858727766. And update. Yes, it has been updated successfully. Now when you select once again, you can find the updated data over here. Yes, so this is how we have to add every staff member in the bioattendance system. Then go back, go to fingerprint enrollment, and select in here the staff data is classified according to their designation, and we have to choose the manager because we have added the staff as manager. So we have to choose manager category, and you will find the staff, and just click on the name of the staff. At the right side you will get the complete details of staff. Yes, staff ID 21, staff name Vasanta Raj, date of birth, and contact number. Okay. Now the down panel, if you see, it gives information about the fingerprint details. So now I am going to add fingerprint. You can record maximum 5 fingers, but we are planning, it will be good if you are going to stick it with 2 or 3 fingerprints. it is good. We can have two fingerprint enrolled. Yes. So I shall choose index finger and click enroll. So it is asking place the finger first time please. So I am going to place my finger. Yes, placing finger is nothing but keeping the finger on by your reader. We no need to press on that device, just placing the finger above the reader. So just I place the finger above and it has recorded first time. Now it is asking second time to place the finger. So again I am going to keep. Yes, it has recorded second time. Now it is asking third time. I am placing the same finger again third time. Yes, it has recorded successfully. Vasantraj index finger has been recorded successfully. Okay. So now we have recorded the staff fingerprint successfully. Now if I want to add one more fingerprint, yes, I can add thumb. Yes, enroll and place the finger once again with thumb finger. Yes, it has recorded first time and second time it is asking to place the finger. I am placing it second time. Yes, it has recorded and third time it is requesting to place the finger. I am placing it on third time. Yes, it has collectively recorded the thumb finger successfully. So once if you record the index, the finger list details all will be available over here. In this, if you have recorded anything wrongly, or if the fingerprint doesn't go well, then we can delete the fingerprint from the system. For that, just click on the finger number and you will find delete option enabled. So just click delete. It will be asking with confirmation message and it will be removed. So this is how we can add fingerprint in the bioattendance system and remove fingerprint from the bioattendance system. I hope you all understood to add staff in the bioattendance system and enroll his fingerprint successfully. Thanks for watching.